Hello, folks. This is a little testimony on the RV Diagnostics. I've been a member for just under a year. I've been having trouble with the switch to my step, not the switch not disengaging it when I wanted it to stay out. So I called Jeff, and within a couple minutes, I've been under this step. I've checked continuity, and I knew that it was a fuse. I couldn't find the fuse. I looked in every fuse box that I knew of. Within 5 minutes, Jeff had me figured out and had me pointed in the right direction of the fuse. And I'm now, you see, the step is out and the screen door's shut. Happy day. Thank you, Jeff. Join RV Diagnostics. I'm not kidding. Money well spent. Jeff always answers the phone. If he doesn't answer, he'll call you back within minutes. Always able to help you. Thank you.